Before you start any abs workout, check out this easy routine first. Welcome back to Major Muscles, where we turn your living room into your personal training ground. Before we hit the real burn, let's wake up the core. Pelvic tilts, 20 seconds. Lie on your back and gently tuck your pelvis under. This teaches you to keep your lower back flat, a skill your spine will thank you for. Dead bug, 20 seconds. Opposite arm and leg extended, slow and controlled. This activates your core without tiring it out. Standing torso twists, 20 seconds. Loosen up your spine and obliques. 1. Crunches, 30 seconds. Start with crunches, but listen, the goal is quality, not speed. Keep your lower back glued to the floor and lift only your shoulders. Imagine someone placed a stack of money on your chest and you're just trying to peek over it. 2. Leg raises, 30 seconds. Lower abs time, everyone's favorite pain zone. Lift your legs slowly and lower them even slower. No swinging. Think of this like lowering delicate cargo, except the cargo is your dignity. Beginner tip, bend your knees for an easier version. 3. Plank. 40 seconds. Plank. The exercise that looks harmless until you do it for 5 seconds. Make sure your hips aren't sinking or poking up. You're a straight line, not a question mark. Focus on breathing. Tight core, steady spine. 4. Russian twists. 30 seconds. Lean back, brace your core, twist from your torso. This hits your obliques, the muscles that make your waist look sharp enough to slice butter. To make it harder, lift your feet. To make it easier, keep them on the floor. To make it dramatic, pretend you're throwing away every unhealthy habit with each twist. 5. Reverse crunches. 30 seconds. Lift your hips gently by pulling your knees toward your chest. This is a much cleaner and more effective lower ab movement than swinging your legs. Think small, controlled motion, like you're trying to tap the ceiling with your spine. 6. Bicycle crunches. 40 seconds. A classic for a reason. Elbow to opposite knee, slow rotation. Don't rush. This is not a race. The slower it is, the more your abs scream, in a good way. Optional finishers. Choose one, or do all three if you're wild. Hollow body hold, 30 seconds. Arms overhead, legs straight, core tight. This works the deep muscles that help flatten your stomach. Flutter kicks, 30 seconds. Small, sharp kicks. Make sure your lower back stays on the floor. Plank knee tucks, 30 seconds. From a plank position, bring your knee toward your chest. Controlled, no bouncing. Stretch your abs with a gentle cobra stretch. Lift your chest, open your torso, breathe deep. Your abs just survived a mini apocalypse. Let them recover. Do this routine 3 to 4 times a week. Combine it with a balanced diet and you'll start seeing and feeling real changes. Remember, abs aren't built in one day, but they are built when you stop skipping the basics. If you found this helpful, smash the like button, subscribe for more home workouts, and comment "abs ready" so I know you made it to the end. Great work. See you in the next training session.